I am Anusha Mohan, and I'm working in the capacity of a program manager with one of the leading MNC. I have several years of experience in program and project management with different industries like pharma, consulting, and IT. I am a PMP certified and a CAPM, ITIL V3, and EMC ISM certified professional.
Hi, and welcome to my course on Microsoft Project. This course is being brought to you by Techcanvass. So, let me assure you that by the end of this course, you will be able to use Microsoft Project with great elegance. You will be using it literally for every stage of your project, right from initiation to closure. You will be able to track not just your schedule, but all your resources, budgets, risk, and then even more than that. You will also be able to create professional looking reports with a click of a button, and your reports will be dynamic. So that means your report will be of real time and you do not have to change them week after week. So let me give you a gist around what is Microsoft Project. So Microsoft Project is one of the earliest products of Microsoft and it has its genesis from 1984. Over the last 3 decades, there has been tremendous evolution of its design, features, and algorithms. And in this course, I will handhold you through all of those features. So now let's understand what is so special about this course. So this course is designed on the principle that three things have to come together to learn Microsoft Project really well. Firstly, there should be a mapping with project management processes and best practices. Secondly, Microsoft Project itself with the features like algorithms or tips or techniques or pitfalls. And finally, the third aspects are the hands on exercises. So, this course brings together all of these three in its designs and implementation. Now, let us look at how this course is structured. So, this course is structured around 7 exercises. So, these exercises will start from very simple level here and it will progress into beginner level and then to intermediate level. Corresponding to this, you will be able to see a mapping of project management phases. For example, initiation, planning, execution, control, or project closure. And beyond all of this, I've taken care to include a wide array of domains in the example. The simplest examples are generic, but after that, there are examples from administration, business, software, technology, human resource, civil engineering, marketing, and information technology. So let us see how you can get the very best from this course. So every section has a beginning lesson on the learning objectives of the lesson to follow. So you will understand that first, and then every exercise has a file which is going to give you the exact case scenario of that exercise. Almost every lesson will have a begin and finish project exercise, which allows you to practice exactly what is shown in the lesson. If you follow all the exercises diligently, only then you will get to a level of expertise. So, this is a fundamental part of this course, and do not miss out on the exercises. Now, in the next lesson, we will learn how to open Microsoft Project and what needs to be done to kickstart it.